हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू एएसटी। तो हम लोग इस नए सीरीज में विल डू द मार्केट एनालिसिस, दैट इज निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस करेंगे एवरी वीक। सो बेसिकली आई विल बी फॉलोइंग अ टॉप डाउन अप्रोच, जिसपे मैं फर्स्ट आई विल बी एनालाइजिंग द वीकली चार्ट. I'll draw the important levels, then I'll get on to daily analysis. Again, I'll get on to hourly analysis. तो इससे क्या होगा, विल बी इन सिंक विद हायर टाइम फ्रेम एज वेल एज द लोअर टाइम फ्रेम. ओके, सो लेट्स नॉट वेस्ट more time on this. We'll start the analysis. तो इस वीकली एनालिसिस में निफ्टी आके from past couple of weeks it is showing resistance at 15,000, and this is one important level. And if you get down to the nearest support, that would be around 14,250. Normally my weekly chart, I'll use this investing.com, wherein I'll be able to do the proper analysis, because it shows me the volumes also. So like I'll draw the important levels over here. Like I said, 15,000 आके एक important level है, जिस पे market is showing resistance couple of times, and the nearest support is somewhere nearby to 14,250. Okay, and I'll tell you in other videos the impacts of this wide range candles. This, okay, let me tell you in short. This wide range candles, basically they act as a support at the mid range of this candle. If this range is violated, normally there is a high probability that again this range is, this level is taken as a support, considered as a support. There's a high probability, there are high chances. Okay, so this is the weekly analysis. In the last week we saw, actually there was a very high volatility last week. Let me show you why I'm saying that. See, last week, okay, it was the first 3 days was bullish, and then we see the resistance from 15,000, and again there is a bearish scenario over here. So if I get on to weekly analysis, I see a bearish candle over here, but what I am not surprised is volumes are not as much as the bullish candles are showing. So this is kind of an indication that there is a still strong upward moment in Nifty. Okay. So the important level मेरे हिसाब से है is 15,000 for Nifty, and this is in the weekly analysis. Again, we'll get on to daily and hourly analysis as well. So the nearest support and weekly analysis would be around 14,250. Okay, so I'll get on to daily analysis. See, like I said, there are a couple of times this level is tested. बहुत बार इस level पे आके it is showing resistance. And let's see the investing way, wherein I'll have the volume criteria as well. So daily analysis पे see, as you can see, 15,000 पे so many times it is rejecting. And if you have a basic knowledge of support and resistance, a resistance or a support testing multiple times, the more it tests, the level becomes more weaker. So as you see, this is okay. I'll show you here. So as you see, this was the first time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. It has tested this level more than 3 times, and I feel coming ahead, this level should be broken. And the nearest support, what I see in daily analysis, is 14,500. So this would be the short-term support for Nifty. We'll get down to early analysis. Okay, let me erase this first. Okay, let's get down to early analysis. So now you get the clear picture what Nifty is indicating. See, the beauty of doing the top-down approach is, see, I marked this levels on weekly chart, but the same levels are being respected in early analysis as well. That is why top-down approach is one of the best approach to analyze the markets. Okay, and see, in the weekly analysis, it is in a range form. The chart is completely indicating that it is not a trending structure. Okay, let me show you in the early analysis in investing outcome. See, market is in a range between 15,000 and 14,250 or something. Exactly, it is around 14,200 ke aaspaas hai. See, these are the levels which are marked in weekly chart. The same levels are being respected in early analysis, and it is indicating that there is no way this range shows that the market is in a trending structure. What I expected the last week was to break this level to, I'll show you in this chart. What I expected was to break this level so that the market would be in a trending structure, showing you the higher high structure. But again, this week it has got rejected, and the important level I'm watching for in early analysis is 14,500. 14,500. If this level is not held, there are high chances that it will again take this support, and then moving forward it will get back to this level, and most probably it has to break. But what I feel is there are very less chances that this level is to be tested again. What my analysis says, what my thought says, is that I'm expecting a consolidation over here in this range. I'm expecting a consolidation over here, and simply the market would go higher and break this level. There are very high chances, what I feel. See, if I get down to if I see the SGX Nifty, it is already at 14,800. It's nearby to 14,800. This is the Friday market. And where are we now? Currently, the Nifty is at 14,600, 14,650 or somewhere, 14,680. Already the SGX is 122 points up than Nifty, there are very high chances that if on Monday, if Asian markets tend to be positive, we see a very good gap up in Nifty 50 as well. Okay, so going forward, what I expect is this Nifty would consolidate in this region, that is around 1400, 14,500, and simply it would head higher, that is breaking this 15,000. And once this level is broken, and we would encounter a new Nifty uplift. Okay, so if you found this analysis helpful, please consider hitting a like button and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.